You've picked out the kitchen finishes, you've got your appliances all lined up, and now comes the fridge question. Built-in or freestanding? It's one of the biggest design and budget decisions you'll make in a kitchen. And today, I'll break down the key differences, appearance, installation features, and price, so you can decide on what's right for your home. Built-in refrigerators are all about a professional, seamless, or integrated look. They're designed by nature to sit within your cabinetry and have many fit, finishes, and design options to choose from. Glass doors, solid doors, side-by-sides, French doors, or even independent columns. With a built-in, you have many options to choose from. Some built-in models stand slightly proud of the cabinetry by design, giving that commercial-style look that you often see in chef-inspired kitchens. Here is a great example from True Residential. It's integrated into the cabinetry, but the hinges and doors purposefully stick out, which is called a proud installation. Others are panel ready, meaning you can customize the front with matching cabinet panels and hardware, or you can put on stainless steel. That allows the refrigerator to blend in completely, which is known as a flush installation, and it almost disappears into the design, looking more like furniture than an appliance. Here's a great example from the Sub-Zero Designer series. You can see 3 units with panel-ready doors and hardware, and you notice the tight reveal around the edges and how it stands completely flush around the cabinetry that all blend perfectly together. You'll often see this in high-end or designer kitchens, where the goal is clean, uninterrupted visual lines across the wall, where everything feels cohesive, intentional, and elevated. Freestanding refrigerators, on the other hand, are designed to stand out, literally. They extend a few inches past your cabinetry, so you'll see the sides and the doors will sit proud of the cabinets. That's not necessarily a bad thing, it just gives another traditional, more appliance look rather than a built-in furniture style aesthetic. The big advantage is flexibility. Freestanding fridges come in a wide variety of sizes, styles, and finishes. French doors, side-by-side, bottom freezer, or even smart models with touchscreens. Not to mention, you can move them in and out very easily, which makes them great replacement options, great for remodels or even rentals, where cabinetry isn't custom built around the fridge. Built-ins are, well, built in. They're designed to fit precisely within custom cabinetry, creating a flush, high-end look. Most built-ins stand around 84 inches tall, which is noticeably taller than a freestanding refrigerator. They also require exact cutouts, often down to an eighth of an inch, so they fit right and tight and clean. Because of that, installation is something you'll want handled by trained professionals. It involves aligning the unit perfectly with your cabinetry, securing it into place, and in many cases, connecting your water supply. Many models also often require special merge kits and trims that match your cabinet design. Freestanding models, by comparison, are much more straightforward. They're usually around 70 inches tall and a few inches deeper, designed to slide into a 36-inch wide opening. You simply plug them in, connect the water line, and you're good to go. When it comes to capacity and layout, built-ins tend to be shallower front to back. You do lose a bit of overall depth and interior storage space compared to a freestanding model. However, built-ins are usually wider, often 36, 42, or even 48 inches, which means broader shelving and more horizontal storage. Instead of digging through deep shelves, you can see and reach everything at a glance. Many built-in refrigerators also use side-by-side or column refrigeration configurations. Keep your fresh and frozen items at eye level and evenly distributed. Freestanding models, meanwhile, often win total capacity. Their extra depth means more interior space, sometimes 5 to 10 additional cubic feet compared to that of a built-in of the same width. That's a big perk if you're storing large platters, pizza boxes, or bulk groceries. The trade-off is accessibility. With deeper shelves, it's easier for things to get lost in the back. That's where features like adjustable shelves, pull-out drawers, and full-width crispers make a huge difference. Built-ins are a serious investment, and you're typically looking at anywhere between $8,000 and $15,000 or more, depending on the brand and configuration. Built-ins are built to last. Top brands offer products that can often run for 20 years or more, and also boost your home's resale value, thanks to that luxury built-in appeal. Freestanding refrigerators are a little bit less expensive, and they run anywhere between $1,500 to $5,000. So there's a big noticeable difference. And if you're not sure in which direction to go, stop by our showroom or schedule an appointment with our team. We'll be happy to compare both styles in person and find the perfect fit for your kitchen and lifestyle.